right, good morning once again. We're live streaming once again for our 10 o'clock discovery hearing. The defendant is in the waiting room. The plaintiff indicated they may be a bit late. So we'll start the live feed and begin when the plaintiff comes. Good morning. Can you hear me? Is this Ms. Myers?
Yes, it is.
Good morning. Do you have the ability to do video?
There.
Then you have Charles with you?
Right here, yes.
All right, very good. You're in the right place. We're waiting for the plaintiff attorney to show up. I saw that you practiced this before, and that's a good thing. I'm going to put you in the waiting room, and as soon as she shows up, I'll bring you back in, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. Well, we're in hurry up and wait mode while we wait for the plaintiff attorney to show up. Well, I appreciate the phone call that they were gonna be late, but it still doesn't prohibit me from just sitting here cooling my heels while I wait for them to show up. Well, this makes for awfully boring viewing. Me sitting here in a chair while we wait. All right, here we go.
Charlie's dreaming.
All right, let me turn the record on. I've had the live feed on. I've been sitting here staring into space for about 8 minutes. Ms. Salisbury did call and indicate she was going to be a little bit delayed. The Myerses are here, and that's a plus. Anyway, everybody's here now, and I can quit staring into space and address our case. This is file 2001148GC. It's entitled Omni Credit Union versus Connie Myers and Charles K. Myers. Both parties are here. Connie was a consent, I believe, and Charles was a default. Ms. Stacey L. Salisbury is here on behalf of the plaintiff, Omni Community Credit Union. This had to do with the purchase of a Ford F-250 truck under a retail installment sales contract. It was expensive, 97,000 miles, and I paid quite a bit for it, but $8,635 of it were the finance charge. It was at 10 point something percent, which is better than a lot of used car loans. At any rate, it failed. The car was repossessed. There was a remaining debt, and we now have a judgment that the plaintiff is attempting to collect on. Mr. and Mrs. Myers, this is set for a discovery hearing, and that's where the plaintiff has an opportunity to ask you some questions under oath about your ability to pay and their ability to collect on the debt. So give me just a minute. YYYYS. All right. Now, Mrs. Myers and Mr. Myers, would you both please raise your right hand? Good morning. Do you both swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give in this matter will be true to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Once upon a time, these discovery hearings would be conducted here at the courthouse or at another location, and parties would be placed under oath, and you'd be going to a conference room to discuss it. Now, I'm going to put you in what's known as our virtual breakout room, where Ms. Salisbury can question you under oath and ask about their ability to collect on the debt. Good morning, Ms. Salisbury. Anything else I should place on the record here?
No, Your Honor, I appreciate that. And again, I apologize for being a few minutes late this morning.
Well, you gave us a heads up, but I still have to start the thing and wait for them. So when that happens, I just sit here and think about the nature of the universe. All right, let me put you in a breakout room. And if you need assistance, I'm still contemplating the nature of the universe while I wait for my 10:30 hearing. All right, you're going to go into a virtual space and you can discuss this matter further.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we doing that?
Yeah, you hit the join button. Okay, now we sit here and wait. I've become very adept at. We do have some difficult sentences beginning at 10:30 with a common theme of methamphetamine addiction and the struggles that go with it with several of the defendants here this morning. Good morning. Have a seat back there. We'll be addressing this shortly. Right now, I'm in hurry up and wait mode. We're live on YouTube, and the parties are in a discovery hearing. And they're in a breakout room, and I'm just sitting here looking at my other cases, including this one. The old days, if someone was in a discovery hearing, I'd just go back in my office, work on other matters. Now that we're doing everything on Zoom, I have to be here to orchestrate the Zoom. So I spend a lot of time here with dead air, waiting for the parties to do what they need to do. Better. Good morning, Booking. How are you?
Good.
I can tell it's you. You have that Earl Stark, short to the point. Yep. Nope. I need to see Matthew Irwin at 10:30 and Kayla Smith at 11.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Okay, we're good.
All right. Bye. And that was a 6-word conversation. I don't know if you knew Earl Stark. That's the way he was. You call him on the phone. Yep. Nope. Okay. Bye. Right to the point. Sergeant He's kind of cut from that same cloth. Tell me what you need and leave me alone. He should be on the docket out there, but sometimes they don't catch it, so I try to call him. Morning.
You got a hearing?
Yeah, I'm waiting for 10:30. I'm monitoring a discovery hearing in civil right now.
Nobody's in. Hey,
No one's in except Stoney.
you see your brothers giving my son hassle?
I would stay as far away from that person as possible. It's all on you, though. I see that why you didn't.
Crazy guy wanted to buy something from my son and then put together he's my son and had what he perceived to be a negative experience and said I needed to be executed.
Another satisfied customer.
Didn't want anything
You
that
know,
had been in my house.
You should be nicer to people. I wouldn't have that.
I told my son, I said, you dodged a major bullet, because my suspicion is this guy had plans to scam him and then put it together and is mad because he figured he might get found out.
We're live here. So, okay.
Can't say the name.
All right, well, I've got Deborah J. Davis and Daniel Frazine. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. I'm in the middle of waiting on a civil discovery hearing. I'm gonna stop the live feed and rename this as misdemeanor sentences, and Deborah Davis